Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a very special and beautiful collection of Kanchipuram pure Gadwal silk sarees. Plain weavings are there throughout the sarees along with a contrast border and contrast pallu and blouse. All these sarees are having Silk Mass certification, and this beautiful collection you are getting in an offer price of 3550 rupees only, along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states, the shipping charges be from 20 and maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For orders, directly DM to the given WhatsApp number. Kindly avoid making calls. Do share your queries through the given number only. And also note, our payment mode is through online only. And if you guys liked our collections and wanted a quicker update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. We are having separate groups for silk sarees and pure cotton sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. Hope you guys enjoy these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.